all the brides intend and desire to get beautiful, shiny, glossy, lustrous hair for their wedding day. I'm going to tell you in this video some very important pre-wedding hair care tips. But before that, let me ask you, have you subscribed my channel? If not, then subscribe so that you can get hold of all the videos which tell you bridal skin and hair care tips. So the first one is, look into any concern which you have for hair. You may have dandruff, you may have a greasy scalp, you may have hair thinning or hair loss. Get in touch with a dermatologist, get yourself sorted. We have so many anti-dandruff treatments which actually help you to remove the flakiness of the scalp. But it may need multiple treatments, like maybe 3 to 4 treatments once in every 15 days to get rid of your scalp dandruff. Along with that, medications and shampoos can be advised. Hair thinning. Many of the brides I've seen have thinned out hair scalp right from the front. Imagine your hairdresser wants to make you a very nice hairdo on the same day, but you do not hair enough to latch that on. Get in touch with dermatologists for all the hair thinning and hair fall solutions. This again may take some time, so get in touch, maybe 3 months to 6 months before the treatment. Get that sorted. Second important tip, what I want to say is, get yourself regular spas done. These spas will help in nourishing and softening the hair shaft and also clean up your scalp so that you have a good hair to look into. So monthly hair spas can definitely be done. Along with that, I would suggest get a hair trim so that your split ends are well taken care of. If you have oily scalp, get into a shampoo and a conditioner for an oily scalp so that your greasiness doesn't dampen your hair. But let me tell you, you should not over dry the hair. Over drying may frizz your hair and that may not look really good. So using the right hair care products is equally important. Along with that, at the back end, nourish your hair with the right supplements. We need proteins for the hair. So have good amount of proteins. You have vitamin A, B, C, D3, all these vitamins and minerals are very important for hair care. So take hair care supplements. Along with that, omega-3 fatty acids always gives shine and bounce and that luster which you really want. So these supplements are essential. Your dietary intake has to complement so as to give you a nice hair looking really wonderful. For that, go again high on proteins. As you take supplements, go high on the dietary part also. So eggs, chicken, you can have paneer, dals. Along with that, green vegetables, fruits, vegetables, all of these colorful palette can really make a good bout of antioxidants, giving your hair much more controlled and a quality which you really desire. Essential fatty acids, good fats are very important to give you that shine. So fish, seeds, nuts, avocados are great food which will help to give you omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Next point, stay hydrated. Having water adequately is very, very important. The next word of caution will be not to use hair colors very close to the D-Day. Hair dye and hair color reactions are very common and you do not want to take that risk. Do it much more before and use hair shampoos and conditioners complementing your hair treatments. But I would say again, not very close, maybe some months before, that will be much safer. Avoid repeated hair treatments like straightening, blow drying and keratin. Repeated treatments may again damage the hair shaft, making your hair look much more frizzy on that D-Day. Avoid such repeated treatments for smaller functions. You can just let them be. If you take all these precautions and care, I'm sure your hair will be in a great quality and you will not need smaller treatments or heat-based treatments very often. And last not the least, exercise, meditate, sleep well and relax. And finally, be happy. It's your D-Day. Your hair is definitely going to look wonderful if you follow all these 10 tips. This is Dr. Parul signing off.